Hello, August is here and our workers have been doing such an amazing job and now they take a little time free. This opening emphasizes this huge flow we are having from the kitchen through this small lounge area for gin tonic, keeping an eye on the kitchen, keeping an eye on the dining table and so on. So this piece has been opened and reinforced with this crazy steel construction, goes like a whole frame around here, so it stays there forever. And here we have this small lounge area and direct access to the small herb garden we are going to make out here. So there will be fresh herbs when you're cooking and so on. And another opening, this one is huge. In my idea, because it wasn't here before. It was a wall, there was an opening there, but now you really get the feeling of this big flow from the kitchen and all the way here to the large dining area, and it's gonna be great. So yeah, should we go and have a look at something more? There's also happening some things upstairs. Hello. Up here we have done something new that we haven't been doing before. So now we are doing the shower combined with the bedroom, but of course toilet with a door, so you can do your things there by yourself. And here we want to have the shower. So actually, now you can see the other way as well, but when you do a shower here, you will have an amazing view over the hilly area, and you have a lot of space, but you get that when you combine it with the bedroom. So we think that would be a fun thing to do. And some more here. There was a wardrobe here, and actually we found out there was another bathroom, but we didn't use that for anything at all. We're going to use it for anything at all, but it's going to be a small area dedicated for somebody who should respond some emails and have a little private area. I know I'm actually married to one who has a lot of emails every day. Yeah, it's gonna be that area here. And at the end here we have a bedroom, also with a bathroom, that gave us a little problems or so, but we have our daughter. She is a building constructor of education, so she came up with a brilliant idea. Wardrobes here, door to the bathroom here, area with the shower here, and with an amazing view to the newly renovated roofs with insulation and so on. They already made an amazing job here, because you can feel the temperature is not so high now because of the insulation. Whoop, that was there. Here, toilet and a sink where you also can check another roof just made, and view to the swimming pool and the surroundings and so on. And if you're really curious about how the style is going to be, we'll put out some links on so you can see how we do the houses we have made, and which is running businesses. So if you're already ready to book your vacation for 2026 here or in some of the other houses, you're very welcome to have a look and send an email. Ciao!